Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2017 Ram 1500 front bumper easy guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery and securing the truck on stands. Remove plastic splash shields and wheel well liners to expose bumper fasteners. Use a 10 mm and 13 mm socket to take out bolts and a trim tool for clips. Keep bolts organized and label them for reassembly to avoid confusion later. Start by opening the hood and locating the upper bumper fasteners along the radiator support. Carefully remove the grille fasteners and retain clips so you can unclip the grille from the bumper. Disconnect electrical connectors for fog lights, sensors, and harnesses to avoid damage when lowering the bumper. Keep connectors labeled and secure wiring out of the work area. Work methodically across the top to prevent bending or warping the bumper skin. With the upper components free, have a helper support the bumper or use a stand before removing lower fasteners. Remove the splash shield and inner fender bolts that secure the bumper bottom so it can pivot forward. Carefully disengage retaining tabs by pulling outward and then lifting away from the frame rails. Keep an eye on wiring and clips and set the bumper on a soft surface to avoid scratches while you finish ancillary repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.